Hey, what's up guys? We're down here in this sort of up and coming pocket of the city of Toronto. We're actually taking this job over. It kind of has been started a little bit, but we gotta take a look at what's going on and check elevations and all that fun stuff. So this is what we're working with here. The rim boards and sill plates have been installed. Unfortunately, most of this is pretty out of level, so we're gonna have to kind of redo it. So this is what we're gonna get into for the week. I don't try and cut anyone's work up. I just want to show you guys how bad this plate was when we got here. It's pretty wavy. I don't know if you can see it in the video. We had a bit of a time wrapping our heads around what was done here. But we've got a system and a solution to fix the problem, so we're going to take a look at that. So as you can see, the different elevations in rim board, and you can actually see in the video the waviness of the plate. So what we're doing is taking the highest point based on our laser, and we're actually bolting the rim board to the concrete, and then there's an engineering detail to fasten it properly after that. Mike's just removing what's been done already so we can start from scratch. Alright guys, we're in good shape here. We got all the rim boards sort of leveled and tack-on into the concrete. What we're going to be doing is hanging our joists off the rim board and then shimming underneath them to have full bearing. You can see Mike down there just wrapping up. We took care of the little pony wall over there, and the last thing we've got to do tomorrow is more or less just address this one wall here, and then we're in good shape. We're going to start joisting. Okay, so now that we have the wall braced, it's nice and straight, level. You can see the string line there, the brace is here. We're gonna start infilling joists. So I've located my LVL back there. I've also established a datum, and then we're gonna start infilling. So if any of you are familiar with micro lams or LVL, you know that when you laminate them, they're almost impossible to straighten. So what we typically do is we'll put a block right there, square it up so it's nice and plumb, do the same thing on the other end, run a string line, then put a stick, sometimes 2 or 3 depending on the length, just to keep it nice and straight. Then we can laminate them and they're laser straight. Got a little job site table here. No construction site is really equipped without one. I got the architecturals open on the big set here. This just gives me my measurements, locations for things like stairwells, that kind of stuff. And then I'm working off my shop drawings here. So they actually indicate what length of joist is sent for any specific area of the drawing. So for here, for instance, they sent us 14 footers. It says J9, you go over to the legend, J9, these are S31s by 14s. And that just tells us, you know, to cut up 14s for this section versus chopping up 16s or 18 footers. And then the other thing is the S indicates the flange size. So these are actually 2.5-inch flange. All right, we're currently just sitting in the vehicles trying to wait the rain out. Got dumped on a second ago, so I think it's gonna pass and we'll get back at it. Nothing starts like a Honda, boys. All right, guys, we're back at it here. We're gonna start with the floor. We're gonna get this side leveled up because it's just kind of hung off the rim board, and then move our way toward the back. We got the rest of the team here today, so it's gonna be a good day. This is a quick way to set the nails in the LVL instead of swinging with the hammer. Take them out. There.
No more bent nails. Oh, I'm wet. You okay?
Good right here.
Not sure? Okay, now I'll start my...
Pull it and push it whenever you need.
Okay, I'm just gonna try to get it on the shoulder and then away we go.
Got it braced. Okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I got the fucking clench going.
Okay.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yep, I'm good.
Letters are up. Okay, you okay?
Yep.
I'm okay. There we go. Okay. Yeah.
Perfect.
Woo. That's it.
That's it. We didn't take enough off the joists and we ended up having to trim almost all of them in place. Anyway, so this house is actually 2 separate units and we have a fire break and a sound break wall here. So what we do is install 5/8 right against the rim board and then our joist butt into that and creates a continuous along here. Just to give you a better idea of how this looks, we've shimmed literally every single joist and beam, which is unfortunate because it takes forever. But there's actually an interior wall that's going in here, and that'll bear right down to the footing, as you can see. So everything will have proper bearing and it'll look nice and clean when it's done.